Wait, don't skip this recipe. This crispy Rava burger is so tasty that once you try it, you will want it again and again. First, take a kadai and eat it. Add 2 to 3 spoons of oil and add 1 spoon of jeera. Fry them. Now add 1 cup of rava and 1 and a half cup of water. Cook it properly until it becomes soft. Add salt to taste. Transfer it into a bowl and mash it nicely. Next, heat another kadai. Add 2 spoons of oil, quarter spoon of turmeric powder, little jeera, chopped onions. Fry them. Now add ginger garlic paste. Add green peas, sweet corn, and chopped tomatoes. Mix everything well. Add salt to taste. Then add boiled potatoes. Mash them. Add dhania powder, add chili powder, add garam masala, add little amchur powder, finally add soaked poha and fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything properly. Now take the rava dough and make a small round shape in like burger patties. Now Place the masala stuffing inside and cover it with another layer. Heat oil in a pan and shallow fry the Rava burger until golden brown and crispy. Now our tasty Rava burger is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thank you for watching.